a big package from Amazon, so watch me unbox it. Let's see what I got. Awesome. I've been really needing a step stool, and I really want to pick one. Let's see how it works. Perfect. Cute. I really like this. Awesome. Alright, here's the step stool. Alright, holds my weight. It's good. And I think it's gonna work really well when I want to see it in my cabinets. Let's see how do you fold it up. That is so easy. Perfect. Alright, I bought some voice amplifiers for my drama class. I bought 3 of them because I already have 3 mics that I bought previously from Amazon. So these are going to be awesome because we got a play coming up and I need a lot of mics. Put those to the side, take this to my classroom. Let's see, what is this? So my goal is to have majority of things in my house pink. So I got a pink paper towel holder so I can go in my restroom. These are all the things that come with it. We got the screws, we got sealant, cool. Little base and the little stick. So I'm gonna need somebody to help me put that up. So put that to the side. I got some lovely lashes. They go from 8 to 18. I can't wait to put these on. I'll show you how they look. I don't know why I got these 8s, 10s, or 12s, or 14s. The shortest I wear is 16, so you know, I might do like 12, 14, 16 or something like that. 10, 12, 14, 16, because 4 fits on my eye. But yeah, these are lovely. Hope they look perfect when I put them on. I'll put this back in here, put that directions. This is the paper towel holder. What are these? I do not know. What does it say? Oh, okay. This is, my cats have scratched my couch, so I bought this protector. It's supposed to be like a clear film you put on your couch to protect it. It's like regular paper. Alright. So, okay, I see the little clear part. So it just sticks to your couch for you, and then you'll put it on there so the cats won't scratch it. I'll do a tutorial putting this up, probably, if I can figure out what I'm doing. So that's pretty cool. We got all these sheets. I'll make sure all of this is gonna go in my Amazon storefront. I got this that is open already, which is very weird, but it's nothing, you know, serious. This is like a to cover up the scratches to match my couch. Let me see. So this is like brown and it sticks on your couch. So I'm gonna cover this, try to be inconspicuous, and then I'm gonna put this over it so they won't re-scratch it. So, let you see this up close. It's supposed to be like a couch repair kit. I'll probably try to do that myself, or I might have somebody else come help me. I don't know, we'll see. Put that over there. Oh, these are my cat water filters. got a lot of them. My sister bought my cats a cat water fountain, and it only came with one filter, so I ran out. So I'm happy I have these. Awesome. I have my hydrating eye stick. I'll let you know how this works. It's supposed to, you know, wake your eyes up, like when you wake up with a little, I just woke up from a long nap, but have a little puffy stuff, and you put this, you know, under there. It's supposed to depuffs it, and it's supposed to like really moisturize your eyes. Yeah, help with under eye lines and stuff. I don't really have those. I might have bags when I wake up or when I'm like super tired. But can't wait to show you this. Trophies for my drama students. Let me see how they look. These are scissors. I'll be right back. You see Max back there? He liked to rub on paper. I don't know. Okay, I got the scissors. You know, I need to buy me a pink pair of scissors, or one of those cute box cutters I be seeing people use. Probably way easier than this. Okay, one more. So I don't know if I want to give it to the whole class yet, but we are having an award ceremony for students, and I might give the top actor one of these and just save these for next year. But I think I get 12. I have about 11 drama students in my class, and they get these little, you know, awards. I like them. I think it looks really nice. So I got a lot of these, which they came out really good. Put this over here for my classroom. I think I spent a lot for my classroom this year. Put that over there. So those two in my classroom. Okay, I've been really wanting this. I've been seeing this on Instagram. I don't really be on TikTok that much, but I do see people use this on TikTok too. Is the cat spray brush. Steam come out of it. So this is really cool. And then I wonder, oh, I think this is retractable, which will be awesome if it is, because yes, I think it is. So, oh, perfect. Let me show you. So it will push the cat hair off of the brush, because I have a hard time cleaning these out. Look at my cat staring at it. She like, is this for me? You want to see? You know, she's not a big fan of getting brushed, but she see like Max, he loves getting brushed, so when she see him do it, she will, you know, run over. Let's see. She look a little nervous. Kitty, are you scared? Oh, or I think she's just trying to get comfortable. Oh yeah, she got her butt tooted up. There we go. I see some dander coming off, so I can't wait to, oh, look at that. Look at this. I know, you know, it's getting pretty warm, so I know my cats are starting to shed a lot. And I have terrible allergies, so hopefully this will really help me out. I've been suffering all weekend with my allergies. Look, Max is over here now. He's like, brush me, please. So let's see how this button works. I'll probably record a video of the steam. Oh, this is amazing. Look, it came right off. And she got some dander in there. So I'm gonna make sure I wash my hands. I normally have a mask on when I brush my cats. Now Max, he's gonna have a buttload come off of him. Let's see. I am sitting on this stool I just got. Let's see. Look, Max. You got a new thingy. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna finish him later. Look at all of that came off of him. Alright, let's see how it works. Ooh. Excellent. I love this already. This is gonna be one of my favorites. Alright, I got one more box in here. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna let Max, you know, rub himself with it. He likes to take the brushes and rub his face. Can you see him? Alright, let's go back to the box. Where Belle is at. I do want to throw this away, so let me throw it out. But this is really cool. I love how it's self-cleaning. Awesome. Alright, Belle, like, oh, you recording again. Let me get back in the box. But I need this box under you, girl. Maybe she want to get brushed again. Oh, this one is heavy. I do not know what this is. Is it only heavy because of Belle on it? I don't know. Okay, get on the side there. I just need. Oh, okay, this is excellent. This is my floor lamp. I ordered. I'll put it over here. Ooh. Let's open it up. Belle is scared. I'm excited. It's a pink floor lamp that I ordered for my living room. I need to order more stuff, definitely for my living room. But now I want to move, so I don't know if I should wait now. At least I bought this. Excellent. So, alright, let's finish opening this up. Got the directions, so this is how it's supposed to look. I like how it got little shelves, so I can put like little plants or whatever on it. And this is the color pink it is. Alright, in this box it comes with everything it needs. I got the screws, I got the shelves. Right. Alright, and that is everything I received in my large Amazon box. Thank you for watching.
Honey, I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go in.